Today is another practice with me video. I invite you to play the A major 2-octave scale with me. Hi, I'm Ariadna and this is Mindful Strings, where I help you transform your violin playing through the principles of the Alexander technique and the Russian School of Violin. I teach violin full-time in my studio here in Boston, Massachusetts, and I wanted to create an online resource for people who want to study on their own at home. There are a few different free resources linked down in the description below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. And I'm very excited to be working on a comprehensive beginner violin course for adults that will include everything I walk my students through in person, with how to read music, how to learn the proper technique, posture, various pieces of music, and how to enjoy the process all along. So stay on the lookout for the release of that. And now let's go ahead and turn on that metronome and play the A major scale together. Turn your metronome out to 60 beats per minute. Make sure you set up your left hand properly, straight wrist, elbow slightly forward so the fingers easily reach the G string. And remember, A major has F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp in the key signature. Bring yourself fully to the present moment. Allow your neck to be free, your whole back to lengthen and widen. Notice your breath. Notice the floor under your feet. You can shift your weight a little bit. Make sure that you are evenly spreading your weight on your feet. And then go ahead and bring the violin up. Next, let's play the scale 2 notes per bow. You're still going to be playing at the same speed with the bow, 4 clicks per bow at 60. But now the left hand is doubling tempo to play 2 notes. before we go on to 4 notes per bow, go ahead and do another scan. Now, ideally, while you're playing the scale, you can actually continue giving yourself the direction of allowing the neck to be free and making sure that your shoulders are not locking and that you are breathing and that your rib cage is moving. But it can be difficult, so if you don't realize that while you're playing the scale, when you take a break before the next one, make sure that you are able to get back into your body. Let's do 4 per bow now. Happy mindful practicing, and I'll see you next time.